which White House rooms are usually hidden from public view. You might be surprised by the secret spaces the public never gets to see inside America's most famous residence. While millions recognize the Oval Office from TV, the president also has private offices and studies not open to tour. These areas are used for confidential meetings and personal work, ensuring privacy and security. They include spaces where sensitive decisions and communications happen every day, hidden behind closed doors. The Situation Room is a secure intelligence and crisis management hub beneath the West Wing. It's where the president and senior staff handle emergencies and monitor global events. Because of the sensitive nature of the information discussed, this room is never open to visitors or media. The White House isn't just a workplace, it's also a home. The private living quarters upstairs are where the first family sleeps and relaxes. These spaces are off-limits to the public and even most staff, preserving the family's privacy away from official functions and public scrutiny. Beyond the grand public rooms, there are numerous service areas like kitchens, laundry rooms, and staff lounges. These are critical for daily operations, but remain unseen by tourists. These hidden spaces help maintain the White House's function as both a residence and a working government building. The White House is more than just a historic building open to visitors. It's a complex mix of public grandeur and private secrecy, with many rooms hidden from view to protect privacy and security. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had about the world around you.